Just watch that too, there's a bit of booger there as well. No, I'm just kidding. All right, so what we're going to do here... Okay, all right, so what we're going to do here, Iesha is lying down on her back now, and we've just surrounded her with the flowers. I've moved the light directly overhead because I'm going to shoot, I'm on a ladder and I'm going to shoot directly over her lying down on these flowers, so it should look really pretty. I'm still on f9, 160th of a second, ISO 100. Yeah, I think that's all right. I reckon that's all right. Okay, all right, so I'm on 1/200th of a second, f9, ISO 100. So I'm using eye detect. Now I've got to try and get the camera more or less right over her head. Now this light is so wide that it'll just basically go around me, so I won't affect the exposure at all. Kerry's put her hair nicely wide with a couple of flowers there, and I'll just shoot this way. Now, do we want to try 1, 2? Let me... Do we want to try one where we get rid of those, just to see if they like that a bit better? And bring the hair more over the shoulder so it'll hide those, you know, sort of straight down. Yeah, like that, it's perfect. And bring that other bit that's way out in, yeah.
That might be better, right? Yeah, I didn't
Yeah.
like that. It sort of
Just to try it and just see, because it might be nicer this way. So we just play around with moving flowers.
There, are you?
Not really, I can get rid of it anyway. It's just there. Can't see it now. Okay, beautiful.
She can't move until you move.
Yeah, I know. Have you got that? Oh, I can move that, which makes it...
Yeah,